The holidays are more than just a season. They're a time for reflection, connection, and future possibility. For businesses like ours, this time of year is especially important. We do all of our strategic planning and preparation for the next years. It's a chance also to say thank you to you, our customers, for being part of our journey and helping us grow and get to this place. Here at Slice Engineering, the holidays remind us why we do what we do. We're empowering makers, creators, and innovators to push boundaries and print their dreams, bringing their ideas to life. This season, we're not just celebrating, we're planning ahead. 2025 is going to be a big year for Slice Engineering, and we're excited to share a glimpse of what's to come. In 2025, we're taking our mission further than we've ever done before, and we're focusing on cutting-edge solutions in 3D printing while driving an impact in prosthetics and medical initiatives. We're proud to already partner with incredible organizations like Limber Prosthetics in California, Hand in Hand in Egypt, and Island Mission Sport in Guatemala, working together with these great organizations to provide life-changing tools and resources to communities in need. But this is just the beginning. Our vision for 2025 and beyond is to amplify these efforts and explore new ways to change even more lives. We're integrating this mission into our company dashboard and into everything we do to track the lives we're impacting directly, because every print, every innovation, every collaboration is an opportunity to make a difference. By leveraging the power of 3D printing technology and the strength of partnerships, we're determined to expand our reach and drive meaningful change in our own community and communities around the world. As we look to the future, we want to thank you for being with us every step of the way, from our garages in 2017 to now. Your passion and creativity and the ways that you use the things that we create inspire everything that we do. The holidays are about family and community, and you've made Slice Engineering part of yours. So from all of us here, thank you. Thank you for being part of our story and letting us be part of yours. Here's to a year ahead of creativity and innovation. And of course, don't forget to stay zesty.